Smart folders automatically organize your notes according to the criteria you set. You can create them from scratch when creating new folders. By choosing to make a smart folder, or you can convert an already existing one into a smart folder. Just make sure your folder doesn't contain any subfolders because then you won't be able to turn it into a smart folder. A smart folder can include notes that are matching all or any of the filters you add. And you have 11 of them. We have extensively covered all these options for the iPad, and since they are the same, we will refer you to that video in the description down below. So if you want to understand how to use all of these filters, we recommend you watch the iPad version of this video. Lastly, to edit these options for an already existing smart folder, go to the three dots icon and edit that smart folder. Then you can manage all these filters.